Oh, what should we do now? Who wants to watch me go and do a trick? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, do a super awesome trick. Oh. Oh, looks like there's a crowd watching us. We're going to bed soon, but we can watch you do one trick. Yeah. Dow. Okay, time for bed. What a fail. Do you know what time it is? What time is it? It's time you should head indoors. It's getting late. Yeah. We should probably go in the tent. Yep, you should. But I wanted to do another trick. Go into the tent! Whoa! We are back. Yeah. Wanna know a little secret? What? Slider's trick was... a fail. I should have known. That's true. I'm sure if you did a trick over those logs, it would also be a fail. Probably not, because I can jump real far. What was that? Oh my, what was that? It was scary. I'm gonna hide under the bed. I'm gonna go under cover. Yo. Blaster, you should find out what's making that sound. Oh, yeah, you should. Oh, the wall, it was moving, and I think I seen a bit of a shadow. Oh no! So scary. Oh! I'm sure whatever it is, it won't be able to get in here because the tent's all zipped up. Nothing to worry about. It's all zipped up. Wait. It isn't zipped up. No. Ooh, it's time to find out what's making that sound. Yeah, wow. Oh no. Do you think whatever made the sound was around here? I think it was. I don't see it anywhere. Buzz, buzz. Maybe it was just a fly. Maybe it was just a buzz. Yeah, let's go back. Just buzz Huh? It wasn't Bezum. Yikes. There was something scary making the sound after all. We got to go back into the tent and warn the others it's something scary. Yeah. Washo, don't forget the flashlight. Back into the tent. Oh my goodness, it's in the tent! No!
forget to go in there and save our friends. Stop your evil doing, scary monster. We gotta...
So, Gizmo, was it any trouble finding the taunt?
Yeah.
A little bit. I couldn't find the entrance. I tried shaking the sides so you could know I was there, but everyone was screaming.
Makes sense.
Well, I think it's time for us to get some sleep.
Oh, yeah, I'm getting tired. Good night.